Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we will make a traditional Jammu recipe which is usually made during wedding season, that is Gulra. Now let's see how to make it. The ingredients required for Gulra are: firstly we need suji or semolina, then we need caster sugar, souf, desi ghee and fried dry fruits. I have taken cashew nuts, almonds and kishmish. Now let's see how to make it. So first of all we will take desi ghee in a kadhai and we will add suji into it. We will roast the suji on a very low flame so that the color of the suji does not change and it is roasted evenly. And as you can see, you have to continue mixing it so that it is roasted evenly. Now, till the time our suji is roasting, we will roughly chop our fried dry fruits. So, we have taken a chopper and into the chopper we have put the cashew nuts and almonds into it. So we have roughly chopped and crushed our dry fruits, and simultaneously our suji is also roasted. You can see it has got a light brownish color and it has started to leave the ghee, which is an indication that suji has been properly roasted. To this we will add the souf. We will mix it well and we will let this mixture cool completely, and once it has cooled down we will add the sugar and the crushed dry fruits into it. Now our semolina or the suji mixture is cooled completely. We will add the crushed dry fruits into it. And then we will add the caster sugar. So now we have to simply mix all the ingredients very well, and once it is mixed completely, the Gulra will be ready. Our Gulra is ready. This dish is usually prepared when the bride goes to her in-laws' house after marriage. So the bride takes Gulra along with her and the in-laws distribute it among all the relatives. But otherwise also this Gulra is very good for health and even kids can have it. So try making this and let us have your reviews. Thank you.